This video will outline the types of vehicle information BlueDriver can provide and how to access that info. Tap the Vehicle Info button on the Scan Tool tab. From here, you'll need to have a vehicle set in order to access vehicle information. Most often, this will be done automatically when you connect your BlueDriver to your vehicle. However, in the cases where a vehicle does not allow automatic VIN detection, setting your vehicle may have to be done manually. Setting your vehicle is covered at length in another video, but as a refresher, you'll need to enter your VIN or select a vehicle year and make. With the vehicle set, you will be provided with 4 sources of information. Vehicle specifications will provide information such as engine type, trim level, country of origin, and many other details. Maintenance schedule will outline all the recommended types of maintenance for your vehicle and how often they should be performed. Recalls will list all potential recalls for the year and model of your vehicle. You should contact your local dealer and provide them with your VIN to confirm if a recall applies to your vehicle. Finally, service bulletins will provide a summary of known issues or repair procedures for your vehicle. You may also share any or all types of info by tapping the Share icon at the top right. More on sharing can be found in another video. We hope you find all the vehicle information helpful and informative. If you are having trouble with vehicle information or any other BlueDriver feature, don't worry. Our world-class support team is here to help. Contact them 24/7.